Hi guys, this is Sima and today I want to talk to you about poor condition of stray dogs in India. As we are aware of the fact that there are millions of stray dogs living on the streets of India, they are widely feared by people because some of them carries rabies. And for the most part, India's street dogs are not really aggressive and will only bite you if they are provoked. As we know, the street dogs are homeless. They do not have a steady supply of food. And because of this, these homeless stray dogs survive on scavenging rubbish, exposed garbage. As a result, many die of illness and many of them give birth to undernourished puppies. So the least we can do is to feed the stray dogs in our locality. Many stray dogs are abandoned or lost pets, so if you find any, please help them. Take them to some NGO or at least find a family for them, a reliable one who can take care of them. Animal accident cases are most disheartening to witness. If you witness any such case, you should immediately take the dog or animal to the nearest hospital or vet, and you should immediately contact an animal NGO so that they can help you out with the procedure. First thing to keep in mind is your own safety. A dog which is hurt, ill, or abandoned is very anxious and scared. In this vulnerable state, he or she will not trust easily. It may attack you out of fear or pain. So before you approach, give the animal enough time to trust you. India has a rich culture and we celebrate many festivals. But during these festivals, some people, for their own fun's sake, use dog as guinea pigs. Like on Holi, I see people putting colors on dogs. These people are unaware that the colors are really harmful for their skin as they contain many chemicals. And the poor dog who would be in misery because of the color could actually lick it, which is poisonous for him. I've also seen people during Diwali, they are just tying crackers on the dogs and lighting them up. And the poor dog who's shouting in misery, they are not helping him. Instead, they are filming it and posting it on social media and they are thinking that they'll get views from it. But this kind of behavior is not really acceptable in the society. These people should be punished right away and should be taught a lesson.